Hi guys, I'm Zati Jejung and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I will show you a tutorial on my everyday makeup look. So this makeup look you can use to go to classes or work. So because I am going to work soon, I will share with you guys on how I do my makeup. If you want to know how, keep on watching. So first of all, I am going to make my eyebrow. I am using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is in the shade 4. I usually use the Etude House for everyday use, but I am out of it, so I have this. I have a bushy eyebrow, so I'm going to conceal my eyebrow using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. If you don't have a bushy eyebrow, you don't need to do this step actually. Next, I am going to prime my face using the dark cosmetic primer. This is actually the matte one. Next, I am going to do my foundation. I used to use this Laneige BB Cushion Pore Control. This is actually very convenient because it is very compact, but I am out of it now and it is more expensive in Malaysia. So on today's look, I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation. This is now my current favorite drugstore foundation. And then I'm going to brighten up my face using the Instant HU1 Concealer by Maybelline. If I'm using the Laneige, I am not going to use any concealer because it already has a brightening effect. And I also will put some of the concealer on my eyelid. Then I will set everything by using the Dark Cosmetic Loose Setting Powder. Next, I am going to use the Nars Contour Blush Palette. I will also use this as my eyeshadow to keep my eyes simple and to save more time. Then I will curl my lashes. Next, I am going to put my mascara by MAC. This is the MAC False Lashes Mascara. Then I'm going to apply my blush. This is the BeauTyra Bronze 2 blush in the Mermaid color. Now I am going to set my face by using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. While my face is still wet, I am going to apply my highlighter. This is from the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the color Molten Gold. Then I will set my face again with a setting spray. Last but not least, I am going to put my lipstick. This is the MAC Bullet Lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. This is actually my favorite everyday use. And that's it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you liked the tutorial, and don't forget to give the thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and that is all for now. See you in my next video.